Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to the Shabby Rose. We are here, and I am here to share with you these full cover almond nail tips that I got off of Amazon. They are the perfect active type nail shape that I really like. I can manage with these. I can clean with these nail tips. They're very secure when I put them on, and they're perfect for being around the household and working. They're not too long to be getting in the way. And here I have some Vettsey solid nail extension gel. This stuff is amazing. I love it. I have a problem when I put nail glue on my nails. It dries so quickly that I turn out with crooked nails. And when I look at them on my hands, my nail tips are crooked. It bothers me to no end. And once I put on that nail glue, it is permanent. And I have to wait in order to adjust the nails later for them to fall off so I can adjust them. This stuff is forgiving. I really enjoy it because as you put them on, you can look at your nail, you can adjust it, make sure it's straight. And then once you cure it, they're on there. They're on there good. The only thing I did not do with these is that I did not prep my nails very well. In fact, I just put on the gel and cured it, but now I'm having problems with them lifting within a day. So when you prep your nails, you clean them with like acetone or a primer. And then you use like a sanding block, buffing nail buffer or something to just get the shine off so that the gel can adhere better to your nail so they won't pop off. But these were so easy. I did use my fingers a little bit to roll some of the gel into a ball, and in the directions I read on the Vettsey website, do not use your fingers to roll it into a ball onto your finger because the oils on your hands can make the gel lose its viscosity and its adherence to your nail. It took very little time to get all the fingers done. And this is what the box looks like. Really like it. It's very stylish. It can fit in a drawer. And it's easily stored. This I painted with Madame Glam's Rosy Beige. Yeah, Beige Rose. Beautiful. Love this color. One coat did that. And so then I'm going to do the next hand. And then I use some Shein stickers to put on the nails to just dress them up really nicely. And then top coated the stickers. And I was like away from my regular lamp, so I cured them with this flashlight, LED flashlight. It's really cool for curing, that I got on Shein for like $2. So this was really cool for on the go. If you have problems with your nails, grab this flashlight and you can do your hands while being away from home. So here I am finishing touches so that the stickers won't collect any dust. Turned out gorgeous. So dressy, so pretty, perfect for Easter, wedding nails, wedding guest nails. These stickers just dress up anything, even just the Dollar General nails that you get for like $2 or $3. So I'm glad you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it. It's fun to have pretty nails very inexpensively. And we will see you again next time. Have a great week.